Welcome back to 50 Car. Step into the realm of rolling luxury with the 2025 Cadillac Escalade, where opulence meets innovation. This American icon doesn't just drive, it commands the road with unparalleled presence. Exterior design. The 2025 Escalade boasts a sculpted grille, sleek LED lighting, and muscular proportions. Its towering stance radiates authority. Advantages: distinctive style, robust build. Disadvantages: large size can be challenging for urban parking. Interior and dashboard design. Inside, the Escalade offers a plush sanctuary with quilted leather seats and a 38-inch curved OLED display. The dashboard combines futuristic tech with classic luxury. Advantages: cutting-edge tech, spacious comfort. Disadvantages: complexity of controls may overwhelm some users. Performance. Powered by a 6.2L V8 engine delivering 420 horsepower, the Escalade accelerates with refined power. Optional Super Cruise tech ensures semi-autonomous driving. Advantages: smooth ride, strong towing capacity. Disadvantages: fuel economy is average for its class. Driving experience. Commanding the Escalade is an experience in dominance. It glides with quiet authority, tackling highways and rough terrains alike. Advantages: exceptional comfort, confidence-inspiring size. Disadvantages: maneuverability in tight spaces. Price, colors, and buyer profile. With a base price of $85,000, the Escalade comes in shades like crystal white and midnight steel. Ideal for affluent buyers aged 35 to 60 seeking luxury and versatility. Competitors and conclusion. Facing rivals like the Lincoln Navigator and BMW X7, the Escalade holds its ground with unmatched American charm. It's the perfect SUV for those craving prestige and performance.